Hello, I just arrived to Phnom Penh, this the capital of Cambodia. Here lives about 2 million people, and comparing to Thailand, people here are much more poor because of the past. During 1970s there was a very strict dictatorship, and during this dictatorship a lot of people were killed, a lot of were imprisoned and so on. And today's Cambodia is now like restoring after this damage during the dictatorship, and it's very beautiful as in Thailand, but people here, the whole country, much more poor. And now I'm going to the center of the city because I just arrived by bus a few hours ago. I had a bus from Siem Reap and it was like almost 6 hours in the road here. In general, it looks very nice here in the center, but just a few minutes outside of the center and you are seeing streets, very dirty streets with poor people and so on. Yeah, comparing to, for example, Minsk is also a 2 million city, it's very nice. Comparing to Minsk is, I would say, better. But about clean city in general, I would say that in Belarus is much cleaner, because here they don't have like this maybe some kind of tradition of keeping the streets clean. They don't care about it at all.